Welcome to Process Prime Channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
These look like a good batch this year.
Yeah, the quality is excellent. Okay, guide him back. Easy now, almost there.
Okay, let's keep an eye out for any remaining pit fragments.
Got it. This batch looks pretty good so far.
Transcription. Okay, looks like we're almost at 2,000 pounds. Stand by to open the gates.
Gates opening now.
Temperature's at 70, rising now. Looks good. Keep an eye on the pressure.
Cans move through a check weigher system. Each can passes over a scale measuring its weight. Cans within tolerance. The sealed cans move through a cleaning station where rotating brushes and water sprays remove any filling residue from the exterior. Transcription. This critical safety step detects any metal contamination that might have entered during processing.
MFG 01ZU226 Best Buy 0120Me8 Batch CU2601JA3.
The product labels are still clearly visible through the transparent film.
Make sure that load bar is tight.
All set. This load isn't going anywhere.
All set, manifest matches, straps are tight, and temp is holding at 40.
Okay, destination, ETA, and product codes are all correct here. Just need your sign off.
All set, seal number recorded. Safe travels.
The viscosity is within acceptable range.
pH reading is 3.4. That's good.
Color matches standard perfectly.
Scheduled maintenance ensures continuous production efficiency.
Case packer efficiency is at 97%.
Roger that.
Informing floor supervisor.
Tingin Saturday think him silly since mean and silly. But those point insult here with side has some safety to the any realm. And that you be a
How's your section holding up today?
Busy, but we're hitting our numbers. You?
Same here, just trying to keep pace. We got a new shipment.
Okay, let me mark it down.
Food safety protocols are paramount. Proper equipment operation ensures both safety and quality.
Unit 7, confirm your ETA for the Phoenix Distribution Center.
Yes, that order is confirmed and scheduled for pickup at 1400 hours. Quality, safety, and efficiency drive every action. The factory operates 20 hours per day, producing
Yes. The factory operates around the clock, ensuring fresh products reach customers nationwide.
Thanks for watching. You've seen every step from orchard to finished product. Subscribe for more factory process videos and see how everything is made.